Hello, my name is Rahul Jain. In this video, I'm representing my time series analysis project. The dataset that I have picked for the project comes from a company in the service industry. The company wants to reduce its operational costs by reducing customer service calls and paper mailings, which can be achieved by steering its customers towards web and email communication channels. I lead the web initiatives at work, and this is one of the datasets that I've used in my day-to-day operations to steer certain decisions. To make things a bit interesting, I've added an investigative twist. The executives suspect that we may be mailing member paper to customers who have consented to receive electronic communications. The dataset can be looked at in two parts. One, it contains monthly running totals for the total customers, web registrations, and electronic communication consents. Two, it contains monthly transaction counts for emails and paper mails. It is important to remember that the dataset contains running totals for customers' registrations and electronic communications when looking at the charts in the presentation. This chart shows the web adoption metrics. The green represents registered members, while the gray represents the opportunity. I used the monthly chart as my data set already contained a running total per month. Let's look at the adoption percentages by each business unit. Each business unit is colored in this chart. It is quite apparent that the large LG business unit in orange represents the biggest opportunity to improve web adoption. Now let's take a look at email consent trend. The green represents consented customers, while red represents customers who would like to receive paper. Now these in red and green represent the customers who have made their decision. The gray represents customers who have not yet provided their preference to us, which represents opportunity for the company to steer them toward green. The forecast shows that we seem to be moving in the right direction. Now look at the percentages by each business unit. All the business units seem to be moving in the right direction. Just like web, LG business unit has quite a bit of work to do to improve its email consents. Here's an interesting chart that may help investigate the executive's suspicion about the leakage. The top chart represents the running total of paper and emails. As you can see, the paper mails are quite a bit larger in number than the emails. The bottom chart has the consent percentage in green, and the blue represents the percentage of emails sent each month. The chart shows that there might be something going on causing emails to not go out consistently each month at the same rate as the consent. And there might be an opportunity for the company to investigate this. In summary, the analysis has helped us in determining that LG business unit has the largest opportunity toward the overall adoption. The company should always also investigate the leakage in the emails to reduce its paper mailings. Overall, the company appears to be gaining ground both in both the web adoption and email consent areas. However, the overall paper mailings still appear significantly higher than the emails, representing an area of opportunity. Thank you for listening to my video about time series analysis.